Okay, now this video, like I want to show you now common mistakes that you will make when replacing the rear brake pads, because another challenge here, guys, is there's the handbrake. So mostly, or the most common problem that you will encounter after replacing the rear brake pads is like the handbrake not working. You see now the handbrake is on, but I have to pull it all the way, but the brake pads I've replaced for the rear ones. Okay, that means I have to go back and depress the pistons out again from the what do you call it, the pads again, so that they can merge actually, so that the handbrake can like quickly, it's called handbrake adjustment. The common problem, okay, you see there's a bit of play there. That means it's too loose. So what do I have to do now is to adjust it, meaning that I have to depress it back up so that it can be a little bit tighter, so that the handbrake can work it perfectly. Okay. That's okay. Okay, I think the play is better. Yeah, I think this is the right fit. That's how you adjust your handbrake to be working perfectly after exchanging or after replacing your rear brake pads. Okay. So you have to do the same procedure for the other side as well, meaning on the right hand side you also have to take out the brake caliper and then depress it again and again until you get the perfect fit of the brake caliper with the brake pads being tightly held it together, so that the handbrake is actually smooth and simple and actually tight, because your brake pads are new. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more of the videos. I'm gonna keep on uploading. If you like and subscribe the videos. Thank you.